In this class, our topic is about polynomials. Okay, no? Polynomials. First, let us have a discussion about definition of polynomial. Okay? Definition of polynomial. Definition of a polynomial. What is the definition of a polynomial? An algebraic expression. Okay, no? One algebraic expression in which the variables involved. Okay, no? One algebraic expression is there, in that variables are involved. Have only non-negative integral powers. Okay, non-negative integral powers is called polynomial. Okay, no? So there are some difficult words for you, right? Algebraic expression, next variables, yes, next non-negative integral powers. Okay, non-negative integral powers. Okay, no? So to understand this definition for polynomials, we must have knowledge about these words. First, let us focus on expression. Okay, no? Expression. What is expression? I am writing some expressions on the board. Observe them. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. It is expression. It is an expression. Okay? 5 plus 7. This is also one expression. This is also one expression. 7 plus 9. This is also one expression. This is also one expression. You can use any operation symbol. I am using plus here. You can use any. For suppose 8 minus 6. This is also one expression. This is also an expression. Observe all these 4 expressions. What are included in these expressions? In these expressions, only numbers. Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7, 7, 9, 8, 6. All these are numbers. Yes, that's why these expressions are called numerical expression. Numerical expressions. Numerical expressions. Okay, no? In this definition of polynomials, some words are critical for us. That's why we are first focusing on the every individual word which we don't understand. Okay, no? We don't know. First, expression. This is expression. But what is our word here? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So, where there are numbers involved in an expression, that expression is called numerical expression. Okay, no? Next, one more expression I am writing here. 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b. These are numerical expressions, only numbers involved. These are algebraic expressions, where letters involved. Okay, along with this algebraic expression word, let us focus on variable also. Variable also. Okay, no? Variable means this alphabet is called alphabetical letter. Okay, no? Letter. This letter is called variable. This letter is called variable. This letter is also called variable. How many variables are involved in this expression? 2 variables. One is 2 variables here. One is A and another one is B. Okay, no? So, when there is expression including with numbers and along with numbers English letters. Okay na, English letters M, N, Y, Z, X, A, B, C, whatever it may be. If English letter involved in the expression along with the numbers, okay na, they are called algebraic expression. Okay na, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression word learning over. The meaning of variables learning over. What are variables? Here A and B. 3x plus 4y. What are variables here? X, y. How many variables? 2 variables. What are the 2 variables? X and y. These are called variables in this expression. Okay, first expression meaning learning over. Yes, this is one expression, this is one expression, this is one, this is another one, this is also one expression, but all numbers only involved in these expressions. That's why these expressions are called numerical expressions. Where there are English letters, alphabet entered, okay, they are called algebraic expression. Okay, now these letters we called as variables. Okay na, algebraic expression. Tough words, algebraic expression learning over. Variables, okay na, variables learning over. Next, non-negative. What is non-negative? Negative, first let us know negative. Negative means nothing but -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. All these are called negative numbers. Okay, all these are called negative numbers. Then what is the meaning of non-negative? Just exactly opposite. Non-negative means which is positive. Okay na, which is positive. 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay na, these are called non-negative. Okay na, non-negative means nothing but positive numbers. Non-negative means positive numbers. Okay, next, powers. Yes, or exponent. Power or powers or exponent also we can call exponents. For suppose x square 2 is the power, y cube 3 is the power. Okay no, m to the power of 4 is the power. Exponent. Okay na, power or exponent we can call as exponent or power. Okay na, 5 to the power of 6 is the power or exponent. Okay na, 6 is the power. So power understanding over. Now you know very well about algebraic expression, variable as well as non-negative power also. Okay na, non-negative power also. Okay, so now what is the meaning of polynomial? What is the definition of polynomial? An algebraic expression. First, in polynomials compulsory we may have algebraic expressions. Okay now, is it clear? In which, in that algebraic expression, variables involved compulsory. Whenever variables enters into the expression, then only they will become as algebraic expression. Okay, focus on the variable. In that variable compulsory have only non-negative integral powers. Okay na, it means variable power must belongs to non-negative integral powers. It means positive numbers. Positive numbers. For suppose x square plus 3x minus 5. This is an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression. Okay, no? This is an algebraic expression. So, in this algebraic expression, what are variables? X. Here, x. So, how many variables? Only one variables. X here one time, here one time. Yes, there are two times x, but x only one category, right? So, one variable. So, focus on the power of the variable. What is the power of variable here? X square. Plus number or minus number? Plus number, which means non-negative. Non-negative means positive. Yes, sir? Non-negative. Okay. This is non-negative, which means positive number. Okay, it is accepted. Look at this x power. If there is no power on the variable, what will be there? 1. Yes? 1. 1 plus 1 or minus 1? Plus 1. Positive number. So, according to the observation of variable power, there is only non-negative integral powers. Non-negative, which means positive numbers. So, what is this? Polynomial or no, not a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? One algebraic expression is here. In this algebraic expression, variable x is there. We observed power of x, power of variable. Positive numbers are there. Positive numbers are there in the place of power of variable. So that according to this definition, this given algebraic expression is a polynomial. I think you understand. So, if you understand this, let us have some exercise about this. Find out it is a polynomial or not a polynomial. 4x square plus 5x minus 2. Is it polynomial? What is your observation should be? Polynomial. How can you say? Variable. What is variable here? X. X power 2. Positive or negative? Positive. Okay, it is selected. Next, another variable, one more power is there available into variable power. What is here? 1. So, positive number. Is it polynomial? Yes, it is polynomial. Okay, good. Next, one more. Y square minus 8. Y square minus 8. What is variable here? Y. What is the power of variable? 2. Plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. Plus 2 means positive number. Positive means non-negative integral power. Non-negative means positive. Okay, na? So, this is polynomial. Yes, sir? This is a polynomial. Okay, na? Next, 2x square plus 3 by x minus 5. 2x square plus 3 by x minus 5. Is it polynomial? Okay, first what should be our observation? Variable power. What is here? Positive. Okay, it is selected. But what about this? X is in the place of denominator. Here x is in the place of numerator. Yes, fractions category we can learn. Upside body is called numerator. downside body is called denominator. So where is the variable here in second term? There is x in the place of denominator. What happened if the variable is at the place of denominator? Loss of exponents are there. 1 by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of minus m. According to this law of exponent, this will become x to the power of minus 1. X to the power of minus 1. So x to the power of minus 1, this is positive, non-negative or negative? This is a negative power of variable. So this is not a polynomial, not a polynomial. Understand this, okay? I hope you understanding. Not a polynomial. Next, let us have one more example. Root 3 x square plus 5y. Root 3 x square plus 5y. What about this? Where is variable? Here one variable, here another variable. How many variables here? Two variables. One variable is called x, another is called y. Okay. So what is the power of a variable x? 2, positive number. What is the power of variable y? 1, positive number. So we can say this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. Yes. Is it correct? So once observe properly so that you can understand the subject. Okay, no? To get any subject, observation is more important. Okay, no? Observation is more important. Okay, next one more example. 1 by x plus 1. Is it polynomial? Is it polynomial? No. How can we say? Denominator place there is variable. Variable is at the place of denominator. So 1 by x to the power of 1, right? 1 by x to the power of will become as x to the power of minus 1. According to 1 by a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of minus 1 minus m. According to this law of exponent, this will become negative power. Okay, no? Negative power. So this is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Okay. Next, 3 x y z. 3 x y z. How many variables here? 1, 2, 3. How many variables? 3 variables. What is the power of x? 1. What is the power of y? 1. What is the power of z? 1. So positive or negative? Positive. So this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. Okay. So an algebraic expression. Expression learning over. Algebraic expression learning over. Yes, variables learning over. Next, non-negative learning over. Okay, now in an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers is called polynomial. Okay, now this is about the polynomial. Okay. So once observe and try yourself also. Take your mathematics textbook, open polynomials chapter. Okay, wherever there are polynomials, check yourself. Okay, now try to identify which are polynomials, which are not a polynomials. Okay, now.